Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper and brand ambassador for Go RVing. We are cooking out, we are enjoying the campground, and I'm sharing something that I always serve when I'm camping and everybody asks me about. It couldn't be simpler, my version of pesto mayonnaise. So get yourself a little mason jar and a good quality brand mayo. I'm just gonna dip that in there, kind of equal parts mayonnaise and equal parts pesto. You know I'm scooping that right back up. Okay, now grab your pesto. I personally love the store brand over at Aldi. I don't know if you have Aldi by you, but I am gonna put a heaping amount in there, almost as much as I did with the mayonnaise. That's kind of like half of the jar there. Now, a good squirt of fresh lemon. You can use reconstituted lemon if you want, but that fresh lemon in there is just so good. I don't want to water it down too much. And then a good dose of pink Himalayan salt or kosher salt if you have it. I just got this right here. This is my chili lime salt. It's going to add another little zest to that. And then I stir this right up. This is good on burgers. My husband loves this on burgers. My daughters love this on caprese sandwiches. A good baguette, fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, this sauce, a drizzle of balsamic glaze. You'll think you died and went to heaven. Just put this on just about anything. I'm gonna make a batch of hiking sandwiches in a minute. I'm gonna put this on there, but this lasts in the fridge a good long time with the mayonnaise. And that thing is ready to go. Pesto mayonnaise. Head over to GoRVing.com for more fun food.